Whoa! Spring loaded. I didn't even know these are legal. Hey everybody, Elon here with another super cool unboxing. This week, I have a mystery box from a company called Blade City, and I got the all silver knife mystery box. So I haven't opened it yet. I'm gonna jump into it with you guys and see what's inside. Before we get started, I just wanna give a shameless shout out to my watch company. If you like watches, check it out, egardwatches.com. That's spelled E-G-A-R-D, watches.com. One more time, E-G-A-R-D, watches.com. Please check out the website. I make some super cool watches. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, onto the box. Let's jump in and see what's inside. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm excited. Okay, so here it is. Let's check it out. Blade City. Thanks for knifing with us. Okay. That's cool. Oh, damn. There's lots of stuff in here, so we'll see how much of it's good. So it's brass knuckles. Now, I don't like this because, like, this just already came out, but I guess I could just screw that back in. Or maybe that was supposed to come that way. So I like brass knuckles. That's pretty awesome. So that's number one. Okay, good set of brass knuckles is useful. I don't have brass knuckles personally, so now I do. Let's see what this bad boy is. A little, this was free. So this was something that was free with the package. It's a little balisong, which is a, if you don't know what a balisong is, it's a butterfly knife. It's a Filipino term. It's actually sharp. I don't know if I could use this one, but so small, but I do like it as a keychain. And that's pretty cool. I actually like that. Okay, so I have a little balisong knife now as a keychain. This is free on their website. You can actually just go check it out and they'll ship it to you. Especially, I think you have to buy something else with it, but let's see what this is too. Oh, damn. That's actually pretty awesome. Another little, not a keychain, but this could go on a necklace or in your pocket. It feels nice. It's pretty cool. Again, this is something I don't have, so what I like about this box so far is that it's a bunch of random stuff that I would have never thought to buy. Like, I was not looking to buy brass knuckles. I was not looking for a balisong keychain, and I was not looking for this. I wouldn't have even thought about this, so far that's pretty cool. Okay, just a little coupon code. They're giving me 20 off my next order. You guys could probably get 20 also because you just saw the code on the camera. So that's good. Let's try and open up this bad boy here. Let's use the knife to cut. I'm already finding a use for it. There we go. So this is Mech USA. Man, there's a lot in here, huh? So I already know what this is. I like these kind of blades. That's nice. These are great blades. I find these blades are awesome. And I actually don't have one right now. This one feels high enough quality. There's a little bit of a defect in the plastic, but there you go, it's off. See if the blade is sharp. 5-second cut. Nice. So it cut that real easy. So that's sweet. Okay, I like this. So far I'm happy, but we'll keep going. Maybe there'll be something awesome in here. And I'll tell you if I think it's worth 80 bucks, and I'll do some research on kind of like how much stuff costs in here after. I would imagine the brass knuckles, I could get brass knuckles for cheap, like 8 bucks. This is really cheap, probably to buy. I don't even know where I'd find this though, but I do like it. This is probably another like $10 item. The balisong is cute, but that was free. And this again is probably like a $10, $15 item max. But I'll go over and I'll try and get exact numbers. Let's open the next one. Oh, sick! I needed a crumb bead. So I do Filipino Indonesian martial arts since I'm a kid. These are my favorite blades. So I really love these blades. I just always have. Now, if you're not careful, these will cut you if you do it like that. So you want to be careful with them. But they are gorgeous blades. This looks really nice. I needed a good crumb beat, so I'm happy with that also. There are different ways to hold them. Like you can hold them blade out. This is the more common way, and then you can get the length with it by just switching it out. Some people will hold it like this also. Again, if you hold it like this, you have to be careful of coming around and cutting yourself, so you would just keep it in that position. It's good because you can't get disarmed, and you could change the blade length by just swinging it out, and now you have a longer blade. So you have it here, and then you can also swing it out and you have a longer blade like that. I don't want to start messing with it. This one's actually quite sharp. And I'm on a weird angle, which makes it almost impossible for me to look coordinated. So apologies for that if I look a little weird doing that, but that's just because of the weird angle. So super happy with that so far. Again, let's use this little knife that's coming in surprisingly useful. Get that open. So that company was, let's see what the name of that company was. Wartech. The other one was MTech. Okay. This one's Tac Force. Oh, nice. So it's almost like a stiletto. Again, not a blade I would have thought to buy. So this is a lot for my collection without even having to think about it. I had one of these when I was a kid. This very much reminds me of it, so I kind of like that. So that's nice. Probably about a 4.5 to 5 inch blade, all steel. So they had this cool little thing called the gold box. I ended up going with the silver box, but so far I didn't really want to get a gold box initially. I kind of wanted to wait and try something a little bit more standard for the first round. So yeah, let's just cut that. Another thing from Tac Force. It's like another cool blade. Again, Crumb Beat style. I don't know the name of this type of blade exactly. But it's nice. It feels high quality. I have no complaints with it. It's good. You can clip it comfortably to a belt or to your pants. I'm not sure where the release is on this one. But it does feel like a nice blade. There we go. Yeah, I'm happy with this one too. It still has that pinky, can snap it out quick. Pretty awesome. One more time right here. Sick. Okay, feels high quality. Okay, let's go for the next small box right here. I have no idea what this is. Whoa! Spring-loaded. I didn't even know these are legal. So that's surprising. Look at that. Now this might be weird because this is probably my favorite item in the box. I mean, like this, I wouldn't put this in my pocket just because if it accidentally gets caught and then pops out in my leg. But man, I love the blade size. I love how tiny it is, and that's a good spring load right there. I thought these were made illegal quite some time ago, but I guess not. Or if they are, thank you, Blade City. This is now on the internet. So that's pretty awesome. Also, it feels nice and sharp. Let me cut this little box here. I'm using the wrong side. Nice, yeah. There we go. That. Pop. Pop. Don't want to have that happen in your pocket. Okay, now to the big boys. Should we start with this one? I guess so. Okay, so let me take this out of the box first, and then we'll come back to it. Let's see this bad boy right here. Let's use this. Okay. I've opened the package with a different knife for each package, which is, oh, a throwing axe. Man, oh man, I'm happy with this box. I wanted a throwing axe so bad. I live in Atlanta and there's actually some cool axe throwing spots here. Just pop this off. Actually, I love axes. This is a nice looking axe. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. Wow, what a nice weight to it. It's really top heavy. So that's what you want. I mean, it's nice. Okay, that's perfect. I needed a good axe. So there we go. There's that. Let's see how sharp that is. Oh yeah, that's nice and sharp. I like these mystery boxes. It's like opening a box of presents. You know what I mean? Okay, now the biggest one of all, right here. Oh. Beautiful. Look at that. Bam! Sick. Look at that. It's from the Masters collection. Right there. That's a big blade. That's got to be an 8-inch blade. Easy. And the whole thing is probably about 14 inches. So that's sick. Look at that. Weighted nice. Man, I want to just start whipping this thing around like a maniac. Sick. Let's just see how sharp it is. Oh yeah. Like butter. Like butter. Okay, so we have some cool items here. Okay, so here's everything I got. I got the brass knuckles. That was the first thing I opened. Okay, cool, brass knuckles. Good to have. You can find brass knuckles anywhere. I wouldn't have personally bought them, but they're cool to have. You know what I mean? And I wouldn't have even thought about it. Second thing, this was free. This actually got off their website. They just included it in the package. I actually love this. I'm weird. I think it's just, you know, just a fun little thing to have. And a cool little keychain. So I think that's awesome. Is it worth anything? Probably not. And it, you know, doesn't feel like it was made of the highest quality, but still, I love it. Next one on the list. It's kind of stiletto blade right here. Happy with it. It's just going to go in my collection. It's a blade style that I wouldn't have bought. I collect really specific kind of blades, so it's cool to have because it gives me something different that I wouldn't have put in my collection. So again, I'm going to estimate pricing. You can probably go on eBay and find brass knuckles for like $5 to $10. I don't know about shipping. This, I don't know where you'd buy it, but I'm sure it's cheap. Again, this, I don't believe this to be an expensive blade. I would guess 10 to 15 bucks if you're going to buy it, brand new. Then we have this bad boy right here. I really like this knife. It feels a lot more high quality. It fits my hand well. You know, I'm happy with this one. So this is my style of blade. So I'm very, very happy with this one. I even like the red right here. I find like it just gives it a cool look. And that's from the company Tac Force. So we got that right there. Let's go down to this one. Another one. I don't personally have any of these right now. I used to have a whole series of these, but I do like them. I feel like they're cool. You know, put brass knuckles in one hand, this in the other. No one's coming in my house tonight. So that's right there. That's pretty awesome. Again, this doesn't feel like it's cheap, which is nice. This is like a rubberized plastic almost. Doesn't feel like a cheap plastic. I don't know what it is. It does have a rubber texture to it. So that's a good little blade right there. Again, not something I would necessarily be looking for right now, which is kind of the fun of these mystery boxes. Then I got the Crumb Beat right here. I wanted one of these, so I'm happy with it. Again, I feel like this is something that I was actually looking for and I would have bought. Is this the exact style I would have bought? Probably not. I probably would have bought something with a cooler, like engraved handle, wooden engraved handle. But again, it's cool to just have it in my collection. This is really tactical. It's not as pretty, but it's convenient. So that's cool to have. Put it around your neck, tie it to a belt, whatever you want. So it's nice. This is a good little piece in my collection. Again, I don't think this is overly expensive. I think you find one of these on eBay for like 15 bucks. This is oddly enough my favorite part of the collection. I love these kind of blades. They remind me of when I was a kid and I was sure they were illegal. So, and man, this spring load system is really good. I mean, like that's real quick, real comfortable, no lag. This little thing here, I love it. I don't know why. I just think it's something, again, I wouldn't have ever thought I would buy. So that's cool to throw in the mix. I don't think it's worth anything, though. So there's that. Then there's the axe. This actually feels like a very high-quality axe. The weighting is nice. I gotta clean off the blade, but besides that, I actually like it's like this graphite texture right here. It's nice, good. Then the last piece. This bad boy right here is huge. Nice wooden handle. This feels like the highest quality item in the box, probably the most expensive item in the box. I would imagine if you were going to buy this on eBay or somewhere else, it would probably be like a $40, $45 blade. Maybe more, I have no idea. So my overall thoughts on the box. I paid $90 minus 15% because I had a coupon. I forgot about that, so I paid 15% less, whatever that was, close to 10 bucks. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items. I would, estimate that I got more than my money's worth. I got a bunch of random things I wouldn't have bought, which is, again, like I said, the fun of these kind of boxes. Nothing here feels like super cheap or bad quality. I would do these again, mostly because they're fun and I collect knives. So I'd recommend this for people who aren't looking for a specific knife and just want to collect knives or get knives every month that they find cool. And you'd get things that you wouldn't normally think about. You know what I mean? Well, this I would, but some of the other blades here I definitely wouldn't. Like this bad boy. So yeah, I would totally recommend this box for people who are looking for something that is going to be exciting for them to open, have a bunch of cool stuff inside that they wouldn't have normally thought about buying, and they want a cool knife collection. If you're just looking for one knife, go buy the knife you want. If you're looking for something cool and different, that's just going to keep filling your collection. I think I'm going to do another one of these. Not this exact silver one, but maybe the gold one, or maybe something. I want to just have a crazy knife collection. So I really enjoy this. Been doing martial arts my whole life. I love knife fighting. I've done knife fighting my whole life. So yeah, for me, this is, just like a goodie bag. It's exactly what I like. So if I'm going to spoil myself and I'm going to do it every couple of months for 60, 70 bucks every couple of months to get myself something awesome like this, it made me happy. So yeah, I like it. Did I get exactly what I would have dreamt about getting? No, but I got a bunch of cool stuff that I wouldn't have even thought about getting. So, recommended. And if you like this channel, subscribe.